Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can group your units and keep them in formation in Rome Total War. Now to begin with, when you load up a battle you'll have something like this where you've got your units all lined out, and what you want to do is set them up into a formation that you're happy with. So in my case I've got my Hastarte that I want to be on the front line just here, and I've got my Velites in the back. I'm also just going to set my Hastarte here to shoot at will. And we're going to put our cavalry nice and gently here on the left side on the flank. Now what I'm going to do is group them all up like this by just dragging over them. Another thing that you can do is just select one and then do Shift, come down here and press the group icon. You'll get this gold bar appear around them just here. They're just grouped like this. Another way to do it is just press G on your keyboard like so. And then I'm going to press this little icon here that says Lock Formation. Once I've done that, they will be locked in formation, and if I right click just here, you can actually see that the formation will stay the same throughout. Now what I can do is go ahead and start the battle here, come over here, and if I right click and hold down here, you will see that the indication is indicating that they will keep their formation as so. And they should be ready to go. And that, guys, is how you can group and keep formation in Rome Total War 2. I hope this tutorial has helped.